We're a quick-turn cable assembly house. NetSource is one of 14 Corning Gold cable assembly houses in the U.S. We're a Connecticut-based business. We've been in business for 23 years now. We make everything from a single conductor copper cable to 288 MTP multi-strand. Customer service to us is basically what it means. It's servicing our customer from start to finish. We're an ISO 9001-2008 registered company. It's a quality management system that ensures that we have the same practices and standards on every single piece of an order that goes out through the day here. 95% of our orders ship in 3 days or less. We also have ITAR registration, which ensures that our products are US made. With our expansion and our staff, we can do 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We carry 4 or 5 million feet worth of cable in stock, 1 million plus connector pieces and raw materials. Everything is 100% visually inspected and optically tested for performance. Every year we come up with a budget to what we're going to put back into the company, and that's how we continually stay ahead of our competition. Our commitment to quality and customer service is our connection to you.